In this video, we will talk about the turtle pump. Now, many of you may be wondering why we call this a turtle pump. First off, as you can see, the shape is similar to a turtle. Secondly, the life of the pump is long like a turtle. As you can see, the turtle pump has a vacuum cartridge, vacuum filter, air control valve, vacuum release valve, vacuum gauge or switch, and silencer integrated into one body. It is compact in size, quiet, and easy to install. Okay, so here we are showing you the turtle pump disassembled. The turtle pump generates vacuum by using these venturi cartridges. The incoming compressed air pulls vacuum across the venturi that creates vacuum in the chamber. In this pump you are able to install as many as 1 to 4 cartridges, depending on your application and the amount of vacuum to pull. The turtle pump has a key feature where it differs and puts it ahead of other companies. The turtle pump requires little maintenance because the small amount of dust collected from the workpiece is cleared after every cycle. This means that you will not need frequent downtime to clean the filter. In the typical system, you have your pump, air control valve, vacuum release control valve, vacuum filter, vacuum switch, many vacuum lines, and finally your suction cups. This typical installation requires many individual connections that are sources of air leakage, and requires a clutter of tubes and individual parts that are very difficult to package. Then, as we look over to our turtle pump, there's really not much to say. The turtle pump is an all-in-one, tight and compact unit where you do not need to worry about excessive air leakage or where to mount all the accessories. As a result, you will save money and time installing the turtle pump, and you have a neatly packaged clean unit with fewer sources for problems. Here we will talk about the vacuum function at running time, then we will talk about the evacuation time, and finally we will get into the feed pressure graph. As we move on to the graph, this will be your typical vacuum function at running time. As you can see, the performance of the pump and system starts dropping as more and more time goes on. The reason for this is because the dirt that is held captive in the filter clogs and restricts airflow. Then, with the turtle pump, the performance stays very constant and consistent. This is due to the automatic filter cleaning system. Without worry, you are able to safely lean back and watch the turtle pump do the work for you. The next graph we see here is the evacuation time at different vacuum levels. In this, the typical system cycle time usually increases, while with the turtle pump cycle time does not increase all that much. As you can see on this graph, the evacuation time required for the turtle pump is less than the typical setup, and will save a substantial amount of time over an 8-hour day. Right around negative 26-inch mercury to negative 27-inch mercury, the response time for the turtle pump is almost 3 times faster. The reason for this is because you are able to install the pump close to the point of use, so achieving vacuum with the turtle pump will have a very quick response. Finally, we look into our vacuum level at different feed pressure. As you see, the typical vacuum system will drop in vacuum level as your feed pressure decreases. Now, as you see, the performance of the turtle pump is very constant and consistent with changes in air pressure. As many of you may know, you may not be getting the proper feed pressure in your current lines. This may be due to having too many vacuum lines or pumps running at the same time. In comparison with the typical system and the turtle pump, you may be able to see a difference as much as negative 10-inch mercury for your vacuum level, whereas the turtle pump only has plus or minus 2% difference in vacuum level despite fluctuating or low compressed air. You can utilize a turtle pump in any of these applications: carton box directing, rotary packaging, press damping lines, pick and place, palletizing, labeling, and and sealer machine. So in closing, with our turtle pump, you have a list of advantages that puts this innovative pump ahead of the competitors. Easy installation, quiet operation, minimal maintenance, less downtime, saves money, consistent operation, fast operation. Thank you for taking interest in our turtle pump. We hope that you take up this opportunity to innovate your application. If you have any questions or you would like further detailed information, then please feel free to contact us or visit our website at www.vmeca.com. Thank you.